Ra created 4 goods. One of those first goods, yeah?
Ra.
Ra.
What do you know about Ra?
Let me continue. Yeah,
What,
Ra.
you have nothing. You have no knowledge of Ra.
And then if I said this about Allah now, yeah, it will be a different thing. Your actions are showing you how inferior you think that our system is and how inferior that I am towards you.
What?
So stop for a second. Stop for a second.
Tell me where Ra.
No, I don't care about your questions right now.
No.
I am talking, and you're interrupting it again.
I'm asking you,
again.
what
Bad
is Ra?
manners.
What is Ra?
Bad manners.
And
Bad manners.
where are the teachings of Ra?
Bad manners. Again, so Ra created.
What is Ra? How do you know Ra created something when we don't know where Ra is and who Ra is?
Listen, again, 4 goods that Ra created. The first good is this.
Who
Stop
is Ra?
interrupting me.
Who
Stop
is Ra?
interrupting me.
The sun?
Stop interrupting
The sun.
me.
Sun, rise and sun.
Again,
One at a time. One at a time.
Rising sun. Rising sun.
Rising sun.
But anyway,
Again, have you seen
nevertheless.
this? I want the audience again to see this, yeah? That we have the manners and etiquette. Raven, me, yeah, we all have the etiquette, yeah, to allow you to talk, yeah, to monologue for like 5 minutes straight, and we're not cutting you. But the moment that we start to speak, you want to talk over us.
Right.
Secretly, yeah, you want to dominate the situation. You want to dominate right now. So secretly, your ideology is making you superior and want to make us inferior to dominate us.
No.
But us, yeah, we're holding you. Stop.
There's
We
no
hold
us.
you to a
There's
high
no us.
esteem.
Don't play
I
that
said,
game
you know
with me.
what? I
Don't
respect
play
you,
that
Adnan.
game with me.
Anyways, let me
No,
continue.
there's no them versus
Let me
us.
continue.
There is no us. When you use this language, when you use this language, you're dividing us. You're dividing us. I won't let you do that. I won't let you do that.
Anyways, I'm going to continue. So again, as he's been occupied right now, Ra created 4 goods, yeah, according to Kemetic philosophy. The number one is this,
What
yeah.
Kalam is trying to do now, what
Have you
Kalam
seen?
is trying to
Have
do
you
now,
seen?
is
Family,
trying
I
to
want you to see
appeal.
this.
He's trying
See
to
what this is going
appeal.
on. See what's
He's
going
trying
on.
to
They're
appeal
scared
to
of us
people
speaking.
by
They're scared
using
of us
language
speaking.
like them versus us. Okay. So what's the point?
Do we stop a conversation saying who's Allah? We don't do that. We stop a conversation.
Yeah, we don't know. I don't know who's Ra. I
We don't do
want to know who Ra is. Yeah, Ra.
Let me talk.
Ra.
Okay, let me talk. So Ra created 4 goods. Well, the first good is this, yeah, that he created all men as equals. All men as equals. It's only men in their own hearts and their own inclinations, yeah, that have now created this superiority and inferiority complex.
When you finish.
That's it. So that is Kemetic philosophy 101. All men are equal.
Okay, good.
So don't tell us. So don't tell us.
Can I-
Stop.
can I-
So don't tell us, yeah, that we practice racism or we practice superiority.
Can I not come back?
We don't do
Can I
that.
not
Stop
come back?
it. Stop it.
Ra, you said you claimed Ra taught something. Where did Ra teach this?
Where did Ra teach this?
Checkmate.
You want to show you how Ra teaches this?
Yeah.
This is it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see the sun
Where?
when it's out? It shines down on every
Where?
single person,
Okay.
yeah, indiscriminately.
Where did Ra
There you
teach?
go.
Where did Ra teach
There
this?
you go.
You said Ra.
There you go. There you go. We just
Wait,
explained it to you,
wait,
but you
wait.
don't understand because
Wait.
you don't understand Kemetic philosophy.
Okay.
You haven't picked up
Wait.
one book. You
Wait.
haven't picked up one book on Kemetic philosophy, but you want to talk.
Patience.
Please.
Patience.
Right now, you're the student. You are the student, and I'm the ustad.
Patience.
You're the student, I'm the ustad.
Patience.
So listen to what I'm speaking to.
Ustaz.
Yeah, there you go.
Ustaz,
Thank you.
patience.
Thank you. Shukran.
Patience,
Shukran.
Ustaz. Let's see who's
Shukran.
Ustaz.
Dua.
Let's see who's Ustaz.
Go ahead.
You claimed Ra
Ra?
taught 4 things. Taught. Teaching is an active quality. You have to teach to teach. Okay? There has to be communication. There has to be communication. Hold on a second. Okay? Now,
Yeah.
you claimed Ra taught.
Yep.
I'm asking, where did Ra teach this, and where is the evidence of that teaching?
So the side.
Who's those stars now?
I won't even go too deep.
Who's
with
those
you.
stars then?
Again, I've said this to you.
Who's
yeah?
those stars
I
now?
said it to you
Tell me who
before.
those stars is. Tell me who those stars is.
Again,
One at a time.
we've already explained it to you, but you failed to understand, yeah? You would fail if you was in one of my classes, okay? You would have failed, okay? You would have failed.
I know, I would fail in your
Yeah,
class.
you would have. You really would have failed. You really would have failed. Ra,
Oh my God. No, don't worry.
Ra as being the physical sun, yeah? As being the physical sun, okay, yeah? Shines down on every single human being.
Did the
And
sun
every
teach?
single or does it? That's a good one. I'm not even gonna go there, yep. But he shines down.
But did the
equally.
sun teach?
Stop. The air, the oxygen as
You're
well.
not
yeah?
answering my question
Stop,
again.
Stop. The air, yeah, is flowing. It's flowing everywhere,
did the
everywhere,
sun
everywhere,
teach?
everywhere.
Did the
And it's
sun teach?
indiscriminate. Everybody gets it equally.
Did the sun teach?
It's teaching us, bro.
Where are the
It's teaching
teachings?
us, bro.
Where are the teachings?
It's teaching us.
Who's reading them?
It's teaching us.
Who's reading these teachings?
teaching
Who
us.
is conveying? Wait. I know you guys are cornered
No,
now,
we don't need to-
and you're gonna find it difficult. Okay, wait.
We don't need to get deep.
Finish, bro.
We don't need to get deep.
prophets have
Wait.
bro.
I'm asking. Kalam made a statement. Ra taught 4 things.
Yeah.
The first one is that all men are created equal.
are created equal.
Okay, wait. Now Ra is an entity, obviously by his claim. I know Ra is someone who taught.
Attribute of Allah.
Now
That's what it is.
that's an entity who is able to teach, and teaching is an active thing, right? There has to be information conveyed
Does Allah
for
teach?
it to be. I know
Allah
you're
teaches.
upset. I know
Yeah.
you're dying for
Because you're
humiliation. So be
talking
quiet.
garbage or whatever,
Okay.
man.
Okay.
You get refuted
Okay.
every time. Don't try it, bro. Don't try it.
Isa, come
Whatever,
on.
bro.
By the way, those who don't know who's screaming behind the camera is the Niqabi Isa.
Don't worry about
the
that.
Niqabi
Look, you're not a
Isa.
Bollywood movie
Okay.
star, bro.
Okay.
You're not Shahrukh Khan.
I love
this
the
guy wants
park.
to be Bollywood.
This is why I love
You're
the
not
park.
Bahubali.
I meet brothers
Stop it,
like
bro.
this. I meet brothers like him. I meet brothers like you.
Bahubali's
I
a
know.
movie,
Wait,
bro.
wait.
Let me show you
Ra,
something.
wait,
What
I'm not
Adnan is-
finished.
I don't
I'm not
care.
finished.
What Adnan
I'm
is
not
doing,
finished.
yeah?
Now he's cornered.
What Adnan
He doesn't
is
want to
doing,
get
yeah,
into
is
it.
This.
Where's the
We're
prophets
saying,
in chemistry?
we're saying, yeah,
I'm
that
asking-
every man is
Where's the
created
prophets
equal
in
according
chemistry?
to our philosophy.
You said
and he's trying to
taught.
explain that away
You
based
said
upon his own
it's
reasoning.
recorded on
Continue.
camera. It's
Continue.
recorded on camera.
Continue. I'm just letting them see what you're
you
doing.
said
Because
Because
Ra.
you want us to be racist.
Wait,
You want us to be so.
No,
you want us to be
no,
racist
no,
so
Kalam,
much, yeah.
Kalam.
You want to.
Let's
You want
time
to
it,
find a
let's
way
time it, let's
to
time
object to it.
Kalam.
Continue.
Should
We're
we
seeing
time
it. We're
it?
seeing it.
Should we
I'm
time
just
it?
making it obvious for the camera to see.
Should we
Kalam.
time it? Should we time
Kalam.
it? Yeah?
Yeah, we should time it. You know,
Who got a phone?
No.
1 minute each.
Yeah. Isa, you're not important.
Shut
Wait.
up. Shut your mouth up. Like
yeah,
you failed. This damn failed Bollywood movie star wannabe
Okay,
amateur
wait.
donkey.
Wait, fine, no problem. Fine, no problem. No problem. No, let him say. He's got his mouth, which is hidden.
Damn
No
right.
problem. Let him
I'm
hide
saying it
his.
should be hidden.
Let him hide his mouth and say what he wants to say.
Listen,
No
don't-
problem.
don't
No one
keep
cares
talking
about what he
about my
says
face
to say.
covering. You ain't got nothing to
Okay,
say. This is
so
ninja, bro. Understand
Ra taught. You claimed Ra taught. You claimed Ra taught. Okay. Ra is an entity who teaches. Okay. And you're claiming that he or she taught. I'm asking, where are those teachings so that we can check them?
Okay. Again, I said to you this, yeah? Ra as being the sun. Yeah?
So
Ra is-
sun doesn't teach. The
Ra
sun
is-
doesn't teach. It doesn't. Teaching is an active thing. If you're claiming the sun teaches, then we have to be able to check the teachings. We have to be able to see them and understand them. Sun doesn't teach.
Okay. So Ra as a
The sun doesn't teach.
would you like me to talk?
Yes.
Ra as the sun, okay, exchanges information, data to this earth. 101. Okay? And then Ra as being our consciousness, okay, is able to pick that up and philosophize and come to a conclusion. And we can see
The more words you're using, the more you're using these words, the more you're landing yourself in a pit you won't be able to climb out of. Now you use the word philosopher. Okay, wait. Because I know these terms. Wait. Okay.
you know these.
There you go. There
Jeez,
you
man,
go.
I saw wrong.
Yeah.
Yo, the Savior's back. The Savior's back. That's good. Yo,
Okay.
I'm not gonna say nothing
Now-
to you yet. Afterwards, you're gonna. Sorry.
No.
Afterwards, get him. Get him.
I don't wanna talk to you.
That's what I'm gonna say. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. I don't want to talk to him. Yeah. So
Aisha was not 6 or 9. Tell it like it is, Sarah.
So
Admit it on
so
camera.
Ra.
Aisha
Ra.
was 18. Sarah, admit it on camera now. You know the score. The Shia have the truth, and him and his garbage religion are lying on the prophet. Come on, Sarah, admit it, brother.
Allahu
Aisha
Akbar.
was not
Okay.
6 or 9.
Let him
Tell the
finish.
truth.
Let him finish.
Alright, go
Him
ahead.
and his garbage religion
You see-
lie on the prophet.
you see-
And Aisha.
you see,
Sarah,
when-
tell the truth. You know it now.
When
Tell the
people
Muslims,
when
tell the
people
truth
people
of the
throw
Shia, even
pebbles
though that guy's
at
Mahfouz
wall,
is
the
the
wall
truth.
is still
Aisha
intact.
was
It's still standing.
I hear that.
Pebbles don't hurt us.
I hear that. Trust
So
me.
anyway,
I 100%
right.
hear that.
Yeah.
Based upon
So-
you calling me a liar,
Yeah.
based upon you
No,
calling me a
no,
snake,
that
based
was-
upon you
that
calling me
was
an
not a
Islamophobe,
pebble.
based
That
upon you saying that
that
Kemet
was
is
a chain
cult,
ball.
based upon you
That
saying
was
that
not a pebble.
Kemet is BS as well.
That was a
Trust
chain
me.
ball. That was a
Trust
chain
me,
ball.
I understand.
That was a chain
I
ball.
understand. Go ahead.
That was a chain ball.
Go ahead.
That was not a pebble. Okay. So the point is, you keep claiming that the sun teaches, and now you're trying to give some wishy-washy reasons as to how sun taught, how we philosophize, what was the word you used? Philosophize or philosophize? Philosophy. Is that the word you used? Yeah. Somehow we philosophize what the sun teaches, the information comes down to us. Someone interprets that information for us. Who is that someone? How do we know what the Sun is trying to teach us? How do we know? Okay. How do you know the Sun taught that all men taught? Again, use the word or philosophy or taught. How did the Sun philosophize or taught that information to us?
Content over everything from your belly. Man, say it straight. Man, don't listen to BBC. Man, don't listen to.
You said raw. He said raw. Four things. He said raw created all things and all people equal.
What I want to say is. No. He's not next. I'll tell you why.
Get him.
This is the same man. This is madness. Come in the middle.
Yay! Inside.
Everybody can get it today.
Wait. Someone.